Here in the Universal Studios store that's just outside the park in City Walk, they have a lot of Jurassic World Rebirth merch, t-shirts. This is a towel, I think. Sherpa throw. $40. Cute t-shirts for the kids. What is this? Oh, it's I think a wall hanging for $30. Bunch of pins, some hats. The hats are, well, this one's 32. $22. This one's $27. It's got embossed Jurassic World. Here's a cup with the dinosaur's eye. This one is $25. Some Lego, Jurassic World Lego. And this has no price. There's a Spirit jersey. Some more kids teas and cups. This is a metal cup. $25. This is also metal. $27. Bunch of Jurassic World. There's masks and toys. Okay, this Spirit jersey is $80. This is the front. And this is the back. Jurassic World Rebirth. They have a Jurassic World fanny pack for $37. Some more t-shirts. Okay, let me see how much this is. $30. There's a T-Rex. It's like a hoodie for $55. This t-shirt is Aquila. It's $25. We have more toys over here. Over here. Over here. And then this looks like a tiny, like a backpack purse. It is $40. I guess it's a backpack, but it's about the size of a Loungefly. It's just made with a canvas. And maybe this is leather or faux leather anyway. I think that's it for the Jurassic World stuff.